Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to move the search bar to the top of your screen on your iPhone. Now when the iPhone updated, it moved Safari's search bar from the top all the way to the bottom here, which can be quite annoying. It's quite easy to tap on the search bar when it's at the bottom like this, and you can accidentally enter the search function. So if we want to move it to the top, how it used to be before the update, let's show you how to do that. So on the main iPhone screen, let's head over to the iPhone settings here. Now we're on the main iPhone settings, let's scroll all the way down until we get to Safari and then tab into that. Then on the main Safari page, we're going to scroll down here until we get to the tab section. And in this section, you can see you have two different options to choose from. The first being the tab bar, which you can see with the picture, is the search bar in the bottom of the screen. And then the second option here, single tab, you can see the search bar at the top of the screen. So as we want the search bar at the top, as it originally was, let's select single tab. Now let's head back over to Safari. And as you can see, now we're on Safari, the search bar has now been put back to the top, how it originally was. You can go back over to the settings to move it back to the bottom. This is supposed to make it easier for your thumb to enter the search bar and type something that you need. However, some people don't like it like that, so you can choose which you prefer. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.